going on? We back for another Strength to Be. You have it on the inside. We just got to get it out. I'm excited. I'm pumped up. Why? Because I believe that your breakthrough is right around the corner. But you heard me say it before. You can't break through without pressing. You can't break through without adding pressure. You got to continue to push and push until you get your breakthrough. You can't be a fighter and be a quitter. Either you're going to be a fighter or you're going to be a quitter. You have to continue to fight until you get what you believe is yours, till you get what you want. Be a fighter. Don't be a quitter. I'm here to tell you right now, it's all about presentation. What you want, your goals, your dreams, is about how you present yourself. When you go into a grocery store, you go into the market, you see they have what's called an end cap. And I want you to have an end cap mentality. You see the man, the father, the family walking down the store, and they see an end cap, and the end cap catches their attention. They can't help it. The end cap is right there, and they stop to look at the end cap to see what's being provided at the end cap. And what happens with the end cap, it is there to catch your attention, to get you to go down the aisle. Because when you go down the aisle, there's more options. You can see what else the store has to offer down the aisle. But the end cap catches your attention first. And so in order for you to get to where you want to get to, you got to have an end cap mentality. What does that mean? That means you got to begin to speak the right language. That means you got to begin to have the right posture. And that means you got to begin to dress for success. Number one, speak the right language. I'm not here to tell you not to cuss. I'm not your mother. I'm not your father. But what I will tell you is that you got to begin to speak positivity, not negativity. Because what happens when you speak positive, people want to be around you. They become addicted to it. They become drawn to it. And that's the end cap mentality. People want to be around you when you are always positive, when you're always encouraging them, and they want to become in your circle of influence. And then when they get in your circle of influence, they're drawn to that positivity, and more people will come to you. So therefore, your end cap mentality says, I'm positive. Now they want to come see what else you have to offer. Number two, you have to begin to dress for success. I'm not telling you to put on a shirt and tie. I'm not telling you you got to dress a certain way. But what I am telling you right now is that whatever it is you want to achieve, you got to dress that way. The way you see yourself, is the way you dress yourself. So when you get up in the morning, dress accordingly. If you want me to see you and to think that you are a positive person, that you can change my life, that you can affect my life, and you want somebody to invest in you, you got to begin to invest in your appearance, because your appearance says a lot. Before you ever open your mouth, people look at you and they pass judgment based upon the way you look. I'm not saying that's right, but that happens. Number three, lastly, you have to begin to have the right posture. Sit up, shoulders back. And when you're talking to someone, look a man in his eye, look a woman in their eye, and you got to speak with confidence. If you're not confident in yourself, then why would anybody be confident in you? You got to believe in you before I believe in you. And that's how you get to success. You have an end-rack mentality. You have an end cap mentality. And when you have that end cap mentality, people come in closer for a better view. You see who you truly are and look at the inside. And then when they see the inside, they're ready to invest in everything you have to offer. That's how you go from here to there. It's like an airplane taking off. It takes off gradually. This is not helicopter success. You don't start here and go here. It's not overnight. Success takes time. It's gradual increase. Step one, step two, step three. Check your body language, your posture. Check your language, the way you're speaking, and then begin to dress for success. You got to have an end cap mentality. And when you have that mentality, people will come down your aisle on a daily basis. You won't have to chase success. Chase your purpose, and success will chase you. You have the strength to build it inside. All we got to do is get it out.